Now this portion, anterior smaller portion of the hip bone is called pubis. This pubis is, it has got a body, superior ramus and inferior ramus. Superior ramus and inferior ramus. So this portion is called body of the pubis. This is the superior ramus and this is the inferior ramus of the pubis. So pubis has got two ramus, superior ramus, inferior ramus and body, and ischium has got only one ramus. This inferior ramus of the pubis joins together with the ramus of the ischium. So this ramus, inferior ramus of the pubis and ramus of the ischium, this ischiopubic ramus has got superior border, inferior border and anterior surface or external surface and posterior surface or pelvic surface. So common ischiopubic ramus has got superior border, inferior border, anterior surface and posterior surface. This anterior surface, another name external surface, and posterior surface has another name called pelvic surface. So ischiopubic ramus has got two borders, superior border, inferior border, two surface, external surface and internal or pelvic surface. And the pubis, this is called superior ramus. This is called superior ramus of the pubis. Superior ramus of the pubis. This superior ramus is triangular in cross section. It has got a rounded border called anterior border or obturator crest. Rounded border, anterior border or obturator crest, and this one is the sharp border. This is called posterior border or pecten pubis, pectineal line or pecten pubis. So this is posterior border or pectineal line or pecten pubis, and the inferior border. This one is the inferior border. Inferior border forming the anterior boundary of the obturator foramen. So inferior border, and this one is the posterior border or pecten pubis or pectineal line, and this is the obturator crest or anterior border. Obturator crest or anterior border is rounded part, and these three borders dividing the superior ramus into three surfaces. This one is the pectineal surface. This one is the pelvic surface, and this is the obturator surface. So pectineal surface, pelvic surface and obturator surface. This pectineal surface bounded by obturator crest anteriorly and posteriorly by pecten pubis. This pectineal surface is continuous with the body of the pubis. This body of the pubis has got superior border, inferior border, anterior surface, posterior surface and symphyseal surface or medial surface. So body of the pubis has got three surfaces: anterior surface, posterior surface or pelvic surface and medial surface or symphyseal surface.